But guys, when you talk about rivalries, right? And if you remember everything from the overtime game where Matt Bryant defeated Garrett Hartley when it came a field goal battle. You remember that game? All the other games that we played in 48 of those 56 games, right? Like I said, the series is tied up 56 apiece. 48 of those games were decided by 7 points or less. That makes this, I mean, you can't ask for a more evenly matched historical feud between two teams. It's always personal, and the players absolutely feed off that energy. Roddy Wright versus the Saints secondary. Matt Ryan versus Drew Brees for a decade. Genuine animosity. The intensity is what makes the rivalry one of the top 5 rivalries in NFL history, even though the national media doesn't always want to recognize these two teams